You're going to be hot. You better take that off, yeah. Okay, so we're on the approaches right now to Key Largo, and we just pulled over for a smoke. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. We're on our way to Key West. Get up over this hump here. It's kind of a impromptu stopping point. Welcome aboard, everybody. And we are on our way to Key West, Florida. And it's the first time I've ever been to Key West on the bike. And I found a very, very nice route to take you guys on. If you ever want to come down and go down to Key West, look me up, and I've got a great route that you can move along nicely and just completely avoid asphalt gridlock in Miami. And that's great. So it's a great route, and I only came upon this route through talking to one of my neighbors the other day, and he told me about this route. So left the house this morning at 4:30 in the morning, and took 95 down to Deerfield Beach. A little bit of rain, but nothing serious. And met my good buddy Michael, who came down from Connecticut, and hooked up with him, and then picked up 95 again after we left, and headed south down to Fort Lauderdale, at which point we picked up Route 595 West, glorious road, and 595 West became 75 for 3 or 4 miles, and then it merged with Route 27 South, and 27 South merged with 997 South down through Homestead and Florida City, and on our way now, as we speak, to Key Largo. I expect pretty soon we're going to be coming up on a bridge. This is actually Route 1 that we're on right now. 997 becomes Route 1. And I'll be glad to take any of y'all down on this route if you want to go down to Key West on the bikes. It's really a glorious route. And you can move along at a very, very fast clip too. I mean, it's just, there's hardly any delays. There's a few lights on 997. There's a few lights. And as you come into Homestead, it gets a little bit congested. But yeah, Michael's looking off to the left here. Starting to get near the water, guys. So it was a good time to put the camera on. And get some footage. Anyhow, glad to have you aboard, and I'll try to break up some of this footage best I can, so that you have a bit of a multi-part series here. like I usually do. But I'm going down and back in one day, and the next time I come down, I'd probably like to spend the night, and that way I'll be able to spend a little more time here. So today we'll go down to the southernmost point in the continental United States, and we'll get a picture in there and a couple of pictures, and maybe take a swim. I got my bathing suit. Michael brought his, so if we have a chance to jump in the water, probably jump in the water, you know. And then we'll go have lunch and head back. So it's a long day. It's an ambitious day, but you know, we like to ride, and it's about 250 miles down, 250 miles back. It's a 500-mile day. Yeah, we are actually headed southeast right now, and I see a bridge off in the distance, and we are about to go over the bridge and go on to the first key. I believe that's the first key, which is Key Largo. I really do. I think that's the first key. I really do think that. So here we go, guys. We're going to be going up over the bridge, and happy to have you along.